July tune tene diringa ta yang new chapter jik start to no khala history last chapter no kaung ngeje syllabus nang ko newly add just the inok sal tene chapter remaining bo chu formation of erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir state and the Dogra rule tene e chapter nang ko ngata Jammu Kashmir kazu form song kya khala tene Jammu Kashmir nang ko Dogra rule rule score la silsis no sal tene Jammu and Kashmir nang ko British government interference kazu she chosto oto niskola silsis no tene yang last ka tene ngata chichi nang ko changes chi regions to khala oto niskola e chapter nang ko discuss chuches no tirale formation of JNK state tene Gulab Singh born songkya khala 1792 nangwa khongun Dogra Rajput family jina born songkya main Kishore Singh jekane family jina hala born songkya tene khonguni tene Sikh court Lahore la Sikh court ji join josh kya swale tene khongun ma takpo yot kya no hala Gulab Singh ma takpo yot kya sto tene khone ote brave polastas tene Sikh king ma shante thate hala tene khonla khonchi josh kya na to jagirdar josh kya no swale tene finally tene 1822 nangwa he made a raja of Jammu tene khongun Jammu raja joshkyak sui joshkyak zana kato Maharaja Ranjit Singh joshkyak no tene Maharaja Ranjit Singh suin kyak Lahore Sikh muni raja in kyak swale tene 1947 nam independent thop jane halate jane partition song kyak Lahore part Pakistani nang ko yot kyak halate fiala tene ते टाइम जाने सोले ते महाराजा रंजीत सिंह टाइम जाने लाहौर बो महाराजा रंजीत सिंह कैपिटल इनके आक्सतन सोले Maharaja Ranjit Singh tene Maharaja Ranjit Singh builder of Sikh kingdom hala builder mala founder of Sikh kingdom me founder jigin kya so sal kon death songs kya 1839 nang ko kon tongs kya hala kon tongs pe wajah se tene political condition bo unstable lush kya so Sikh court nang ko hala political stable pat malush kya so Lahore nang ko stable matlab tena jage ka malush kya hala hosh post hinduat kya so king death son testing mon tene Lahore nang confusion mamang pojik bingche star songs kya hala tene ote faida nahi kya stong British e ote faida nahi tene ma khone Lahore ka ma attention bo increase josh kya hasatan sale tene Maharaja Ranjit Singh tons testing bone Lahore bote tam shi powerful malush kya kazachik Maharaja Ranjit Singh time ka yot kya hala ote zachik powerful mit kya satano sale tene oto wajah se tene chi song kya zena ka to Anglo Sikh War jik song kya khala tene Anglo Sikh War nam song kya zena 10 February 1846 nang ko song kya ka venang ko tene sunang sui parla song kya zena ka to Britisher nang Sikh kingis ke par nang ko ha jingmo song kya hala war song kya tene inang ko su taksh kya zena ka to East India Company yang na British pa taksh kya zena sale signing of treaties tene treaties matlab agreement jik sign jush kya khala Treaty of Lahore na Treaty of Amritsar niska sign jush kya nam sign jush kya 1846 na ko sign jush kya so goma langa ta Treaty of Lahore sil integral tene after Anglo Sikh war is thing ne hala Treaty of Lahore jik sign jush kya nam jush kya 9 March 1846 na ko jush kya so Chief Josh Kersana e war mun end chuchi Chief Josh Kersana Gulab Singh atyo pata kya ki halata Britisher mun first Anglo Sikh war na ko khon tak halata ti o tax dinang khon ote reserve buchi onotna mars tok pe yong chizino hala consequences po mars tok pe yong chizino samte tene Gulab Singh strategic arrange Josh Kersana sale tene ote ezuko treaty bo nangko chu kersana e war bo end chuchi Chief strategic Josh hala tene Britishers pe chi josh kya zena Britisher pe impose josh kya ki war indemnity zena war micha chi sifya penijik tong josh kya hala protection ifya ya indemnity zena protection ya insurance ifya peni tong josh kya peni tam tong josh kya zena to rupees of 1.5 crore tong zete josh kya zeta no hala Lahore darbar la tene Lahore Darbar la oza chik amount pay chomangan kya sitano sale oza chik amount pay chomayan pa tene khone seat malab give up chush kya no tene ote pene wo Lahore Darbar la pay chomayan pa tene khone pene chapo chi chush kya territories tang kya donc sakya tang kya khala count between Bees River nang Indus River junga chamjik territories yot otongun British batang kya sitano sale tenang ko chu kya zana Kashmir Valley yut kya khala Hazara yut kya kaun ngan la tene Maharaja Ranjit Singh time ka tene I Kashmir Valley na Hazara ngone ka Maharaja Ranjit Singh rule chot kya sitano 1819 time jane sale Gulab Singh सुन गया जम्मू से राजा जी इन हाला then khoni develop chush kya an association with Britishers association मतलब relationship chik hala Britishers nenga por relationship chik establish chush kya develop chush kya sale then British ngun hala British were apprehensive zina worried yut kya chief worried yut kya zina I critical situation jik yut kya hala karut kya zina north western frontier ko critical situation ji yut kya te fiala Britishers kun ma worried yut kya sto sale tini khoni chi chu yut kya zina they want to establish a political stability hala khoni political stability establish chu yut kya sto teni Britishers kun la dio pata son kya ki hala Gulab Singh bo ma brave yut hala ma khona ko sufficient ability jik duk hala mane ito ability jik duk ka o teni I north west frontier re last book chongya no hala otika political stability chongya no samte British pangula pata so kya no teni British pangula hala sui kane jikspa yut kya senanga to Afghan panang Russia panguni kani khona jikspa yut kya hala teni northwest frontier kani teni khongun ote India nang kwa yong yan chi yut kya sto sale Britisher pa ote kani jikspa yut kya teni khoni oto vika northwest frontier ka teni political stability jik establish chu chi yut kya sto sale teni as a result hala khoni chi jush kya tena separate strategic sign chush kya kaula chizet kya zana Treaty of Amritsar zete zirat kya ston Treaty of Amritsar sign nam chush kya zana kato 16 March 1846 na chush kya khala suna sui junga chush kya zana between British East India Company na Maharaja Gulab Singh junga chush kya ston sale Britishers na Maharaja Gulab Singh junga I treaty wo sign chush kya ston sale teni I treaty nang ko teni chu kya Britishers se hala transfer chush kya khorang territories un kaun ngala kha thop hala ngala teni Treaty of Lahore sane jamlole 1.5 crore tong zate hala oza chik tang man pa teni chichos Kashmir Valley na Hazara zishkaniti jaga wo khoni khis ta I treaty nang ko teni Treaty of Amritsar nang ko chi song kya se nang ka to khoni hala Gulab Singh nang Britishers ngis ke junga teni treaty jik sign song ka wo Treaty of Amritsar zate zirat kya hala teni I Treaty of Amritsar nang ko teni Britishers ngoni chi chush kya se na ngani te territories ngun yang Gulab Singh lox de tang kya se no sale teni ote lox teni Gulab Singh British pa chi tang kya se na ka to khopene tang kya hala 75 lakh rupees tang kya to Gulab Singh British pa 75 lakh rupees tang kya to hala teni Maharaja Gulab Singh completely control chush kya over the territories of Jammu Kashmir Jammu tanga Lahore Raja in bin hala Jammu teni Kashmir Ladakh Baltistan ngulla teni khon Maharaja Gulab Singh completely control chush kya sadano sale teni I choksla teni Jammu Kashmir state pochi song kya form song kya sale inna chukpa borenya le teni next class nangata continuation tirale teni chukpa sujiga chi hamagwa yutnang teachers no thank you